How to make money with YouTube Shorts. You are in business to make money, and the YouTube Shorts platform can help you do that. With conventional, longer-length YouTube videos, you can make money using ads. But this is not so easy to do with YouTube Shorts. It is possible, though, as you will see in this video. Two types of YouTube Shorts. If you have an existing YouTube channel and you are participating in the YouTube Partner Program, then your channel will be monetized and you can earn income from Google AdSense. There is a way that you can continue to earn ad revenue with your YouTube Shorts. You need to be aware that there are two different types of YouTube Shorts. One of these you can use with the YouTube Partner Program and the other you can't. The two different types of YouTube Shorts are: 1. A short video was created using the YouTube Shorts camera, which is available in the YouTube app. You can create 15-second clips with this camera. 2. A video shot in the vertical aspect that is up to a minute in length. The hashtag shorts must be used in the video description. If you have created 15-second YouTube Shorts using the special camera, then these are not eligible for ad revenue from the YouTube Partner Program. But a video created in a vertical format of 60 seconds or less that includes the #shorts hashtag can be eligible for ad revenue. The YouTube Shorts Fund. There is a way that you can monetize 15-second videos created using the YouTube Shorts camera, and that is through the YouTube Shorts Fund. We discussed this in an earlier video, and there are eligibility criteria that you need to meet to qualify for bonuses from the fund. As a reminder, the criteria for the YouTube Shorts funds are: you need a YouTube channel with at least one eligible short over the previous 180 days. In the United States, creators must be a minimum of 13 years old. Those younger than 18 must have a parent agree to the terms and conditions. In other countries, creators must be the age of majority. Creators must reside in an eligible country. Shorts from other social media platforms, unedited TV or movie clips, clips from other people's channels, and other non-original content will not be eligible. Creators have to comply with the community guidelines, copyright rules, and monetization policies of YouTube. There is $100 million available in the YouTube Shorts Fund, and it will be used to reward YouTube Shorts creators for the whole of 2022 and possibly beyond this. YouTube is monitoring YouTube Shorts creators and will notify them if they are eligible for a bonus. If you are chosen for a bonus from the YouTube Shorts Fund, then you will usually receive an amount between $100 and $10,000 a month. Already, a lot of YouTube Shorts creators are receiving money from the YouTube Shorts Fund regularly. So how do you provide yourself with the best chance of receiving regular bonuses from the YouTube Shorts Fund? Well, the first thing is to be committed to the YouTube Shorts platform. This means that you will use the YouTube app to create and upload shorts often. Learn all of the different features offered for YouTube Shorts and use these as much as you can. It should not take you too long to master YouTube Shorts, so be sure to do this. Always bear in mind that YouTube fully supports the Shorts platform and has already started to introduce new features. You need to watch out for these and use them. You are more likely to receive a bonus from the YouTube Shorts Fund if your shorts are among the most popular. So you need to look at these popular videos to see how they are constructed and provide you with the inspiration to create your own popular YouTube Shorts. Although you do not need to be eligible for the YouTube Partner Program to receive bonuses from the YouTube Shorts Fund, you will want to grow your subscriber base and the number of public watch hours that your YouTube Shorts receive. Growing your audience with your YouTube Shorts is very important. When you have a high number of channel subscribers, each new YouTube short that you upload will quickly experience a lot of views. Your subscribers will be eagerly awaiting your next upload. As a YouTube Shorts creator, you will probably receive a few requests for feedback from YouTube. Every time that you receive one of these requests, do not ignore it, but let the company know what you like and dislike about YouTube Shorts and any new features that you want to see. The YouTube Shorts Fund is fairly new, and there is no doubt that it will change and evolve. Make it your business to stay updated with any new details about the YouTube Shorts Fund, and be sure to use any of the new features that are added. This will not go unnoticed by YouTube. Generate leads with YouTube Shorts. A lot of businesses use YouTube videos to generate leads for their business, and there's no reason why you cannot do the same with YouTube Shorts. You just need to be more concise with your message on a Shorts video. Always add a call to action in the description of your YouTube Shorts videos. You can also refer to this in the videos themselves. Create an enticing giveaway so that YouTube users will want to sign up for your email list. Use email marketing tactics to promote your products and generate more views for your YouTube Shorts. Sell your products and services. We provided you with a lot of good ideas for your YouTube Shorts in a previous video. You can create mini reviews of your products and services and mini how-to videos that provide valuable tips. Think about how you can link the tips you provide to the products and services that you sell. You can use YouTube Shorts to create video ads. These can be very effective, especially if you have an existing subscriber base. Add an incentive in your ads to encourage sales, such as special discount codes and special offers that will expire soon. Promote related affiliate offers. Create YouTube Shorts around different affiliate offers that are related to your niche. Usually, it is free to join affiliate programs, and they will pay you a commission for every sale that is made through your unique affiliate link. You could add a list of the products that you recommend in the description of every YouTube short that you upload. If you do not have a product or service that can help your audience solve all their problems, then high-quality affiliate offers are the next best thing. In the next video, we will discuss how to monitor the performance of your YouTube Shorts.